It's a beautiful day. Yeah, my God. Thank you very much for everything that you are given for us. It's another day. Thank you very much, Lord, that you are giving everything to us, especially to our good health, to our to all of us in this world. Ginoo ko, thank you very much. And now, I must to say again to thank you to all subscriber of mine, to all viewers of mine, to all supporters of my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And to all some blogger that you are starting helping to support of my YouTube channel from the beginning until now, and you know who you are. To all your my boss, because you help me. You have a kindness, open-minded, open heart to share your knowledge, your time to help me without comments. Okay, so thank you very much to you, to all of you, the one that you are with me in my channel, and to all some bloggers also that I connect with them. Thank you very much to all some of your supporters that they subscribe to me. Okay, thank you very much. To all viewers, or you are not viewers, I wish that you will subscribe also to me while you are watching in my short video or my another videos, my regular videos. Thank you very much also. And to the YouTube company, YouTube founder, YouTube, thank you for your helping. Thank you for your doing a good in your job, and shout out to all workers and to all staff of this company, and nationwide, worldwide, to different countries. Shout out to all of us, and God bless us all, and take good care and keep safe whatever you do, wherever you are. So be safe by yourself, be safe to your health, okay, by our individual. So now this one, I bring this one CC for the school, but I don't know, once only she ate, and this one is cupcake one inside. Just a minute, I try to open. Yeah, really, cupcake. It's a cupcake. It's a milk honey cupcake siya. But I don't know, tomorrow, yesterday, last day, she ate, but yesterday, no. Sometimes kasi she don't like, sometimes also she like it. And this one, the cake, small cake from the Halawahi. Okay. Sir, he ate it, or madam, and they didn't eat all. So si Sisi also, she don't like it. So who's eat that one? Haram if I throw, so I'm the one to eat that one, okay? And one, now again, I prepare the lunch box for Sisi. The egg, I give him another egg, because they are eating the breakfast in the school, so I give this one for him, and the finger and the nuggets is for her lunch, and some salad, okay? And I always do include this one, because she can choose what she want, okay? The important that she has food and she will not become hungry, okay? That's all. Yesterday I make that one another one, but she didn't eat. She ate only the cupcake that I prepared. Okay, so once again, thank you, Madam and Sir, to the family of Madam, to the family of Sir. Thank you very much that you are still supported of me. To Celine, Celine is always be with me. Even whatever we do, whatever we make a video, that will together. Even Madam she go travel, Celine is with me. And the family of supported the family of Madam and the family of Sir also. Okay, and once again, thank you very much much. Keep safe lagi, and to all my families in the Philippines, nationwide, worldwide, kung saan kayong different countries, nagiging belong kayo sa journey ko dito sa my YouTube, my Simply YouTube channel. Okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. To all brothers, laging ingat. Ikaw, Sol, ingat-ingat, Sol. To my in-laws, and to my niece, and apo-apo sa tuhod, ang kanto-angka ni nanay at saka ni tatay, okay? Dinagat Island, Lipo, Albor, Dinagat Island, Santa Cruz, Tobahon, Loreto, Mabini at saka Iban Osmeña, Quezon, Plaridel, Arellano, Madrid, Magsaysay, San Roque, some places pa. Basta all the Dinagat Island. Okay, I wish that you can watch me in my video. I wish that you subscribe also to me and to the Siargao. Okay, to all Siargao, I have a adopted family there also. And in the Surigao del Norte, Surigao City, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay, so thank you again. That's what I'm telling. I cannot mention you, all of you, by individual in every videos that I have. But you are already including in the all different countries, all different people in this world, nationwide, worldwide, sa buong mundo. Okay, thank you again. Keep safe lagi, and bye. Bye-bye.